I got these rims. They're 420-inch rims on Facebook. On Facebook for guess how much? You're never gonna guess. $100 for all four, everybody. Yes, for all four. Ain't no joke either. Let me show you this real quick. Let me show you that. Let me show you. Yeah. Show you this side now. Now look at this, everybody. Yeah. Yes. These are the tires I got. The XTX Dixons tire size. Now these came with the tires for $100. So I got 4 of these tires. Yes, I gotta mount my better tires on that, but these tires are shit. That ain't that great. These rims are amazing though. Those are metal, everybody. Yes, the center caps, they're metal. They're aluminum, everybody. Yes, these tires are amazing. And yes, look at this. Like that, just brushes right off. Yeah, look at that. Put my little green thing on it. Whoa. Let me show you this. Let me show you. It's a little higher up too. Let me show you this angle real quick. Let me show you this angle.